What we do here is go back, 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 back.
This is the bulb that you're going to need for the rear trunk light. I've gone with the Sylvania Zevo bulb because these are amazing LEDs that I use personally, and the size is DE3022. So what you're going to do is you want to pop your trunk first, and I'll take you to the light in the back. So hit your trunk really, and you're going to open this up now. And then as you can see, that is the light we're going to be working with. So just set your new bulb down, and you're just going to want to pop this thing out, which it's just plastic tabs, so you can just use a screwdriver to kind of like that. And then you can see there's no bulb in there, so you're just going to take, and it's just this size connection, and it looks like you put it in the left side first. Whoa. Put it in the left side first. Sorry, kind of. Let me not suck at this. So I'm not gonna lie. I thought I got the wrong bulb size, but no, this is the right size. As you can see, it's just really tight. You just gotta force it in, and yeah, the bulb eventually does go in, and you can see it's just. Put it in on that side first and then just slide it in on that side, but you got to really force it. But yeah, let's just put on this light cover, and yeah, we're done. That's so clean, and that's never coming out. That's so hard to put it in. Oh, did you put? Okay, perfect. Okay, so as you can see, that is now covered, and at nighttime that light will be nice. So just to show you guys at nighttime, here you can see what it looks like with that LED, and this trunk is much brighter than it was with the halogen, and there's absolutely no heat coming off of this thing, so I'm very happy with how this light came out. So I would definitely recommend you doing this on your 3G Eclipse if you have one. It won't get very hot. The nice thing about this is, like with the old halogen bulb, you leave your trunk open for a long time and it's going to get really hot because it's that bulb. This won't get hot. It's going to stay nice and cool because it's an LED. So very nice. Thank you, Sylvania. Thank you, Zevo, even though I paid for your thing. I like your product. Man, my hair's so bad for this video. That's crazy. Well, I hope this helps you. I hope this helps you. I apologize for my hair. Damn, looking like a damn cockatoo.
That's a
See
wrap.
you in the next one.